Hi everyone, you are welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Patience Base and I am back with another video. So today is the 9th of December 2022 and we are heading down to the 25th of December. And you know, as the spirit is, everybody is trying to look their best, everybody is trying to look beautiful this December. And maybe you must have looked at the mirror, you found out that there are still extra fats hanging around your body. Maybe you promised yourself last year December to lose weight, to shed those extra pounds, and here we are, the last month of the year, heading down to the 25th December as usual. So last year you noticed when you wear your clothes you were looking so funny, you were looking so perfect in your Christmas clothes, you were left behind, people were glowing, and we are not really that happy. But this year, same thing is happening. Do not worry, I got you covered on this one. If you want to lose weight within 2 weeks, as you guys know, we only have 2 weeks down before Christmas, and if you want to lose weight within those 2 weeks before 25th December, so I got you covered. Stick to this video. I got a very good one for you. I have this very DIY drink which you can do. It's a juice. Actually, you can take this juice within 1 to 2 weeks of taking this juice. You will start seeing drastic results. If this video is the kind of video that interests you the more, keep watching and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. If you find this video helpful, please give us a huge thumbs up because it is very helpful to us. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel because this will help me grow. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the video. So guys, in order to make this juice, you will be needing a juicer, and if you don't have a juicer, you can as well use your blender, but if you have both, that is perfect. So on here I have my juicer. I have washed it properly in order not to get this juice contaminated. Then I went ahead and fixed everything in place. The first fruit I'll be juicing is the cucumber. Because I'm using a juicer, I don't need to slice the cucumber. The juicer will do its work, but if you're not sure about the process, feel free to cut yours into a desirable shape of your choice before proceeding to juice or blend your cucumber. So as you all know, cucumber contains 96% of water. That is why you won't be needing extra water to juice the cucumber. They are ideal for detoxing and preventing dehydration, and it promotes healthy weight loss. So another fruit I'll be using is apple. I'm using one green apple for this weight loss juice. The benefits of apple are numerous if we include them into our daily meals, because they are valuable parts of our diets. Apples offer many health benefits ranging from protecting our heart, boosting brain health, fight cancers, lower risk of type 2 diabetes, and most importantly, helps us lose weight fast. So guys, I went ahead and cut the apple into sizes and start removing all the seeds from the apple. This is to enable me not to blend the seed alongside with the apple. So I went ahead and chose the apple. Another vital important fruit I'll be adding is pineapple. Pineapple are loaded with lots and lots of nutrients, and it contains disease-fighting antioxidants. It aids in digestion, boosts immunity, fights inflammation, and enhances weight loss. So these are the reasons why I'm including this pineapple into this juice. So if you're not a lover of pineapple, maybe you should reconsider including them into your fruit list this season. So after cutting, I went ahead and extracted all the juice out from the pineapple. So if you are watching and you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do well to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you get to see my next video. Remember, subscribing is totally free of charge. We are not paying a dime to subscribe to my channel. So do not forget to share this video to your friends, loved ones, and family. Sharing this video might be of great help to somebody, and by sharing them, it might get to the person desire to watch this video. So guys, you can see how easy it is to work with a juicer instead of blending. So here I have all my 3 fruits extracted into a juice with 0 water in them. So I will go ahead and keep this aside so we can move on to another step. So another important vegetable I will be adding to the juice is spinach. Spinach is high in fiber and also helps in good digestion. It regulates blood sugar level and prevents constipation. It also aids in weight loss, which is the very important reason I'm including this into this juice. Spinach also is rich with magnesium, iron, and calcium. So you can see I have 3 items on the plate, which is spinach, lemon, and ginger. So with the help of my blender, I will be blending this to extract all the juice required. But this will be a little different from the previous ones because I will be using water for this particular blending. Firstly, I'll be adding a handful of washed spinach, peeled and cut ginger, and 1 full lemon into the blender, using a 300 ml of water to blend the item very well. And I'm going to pour it straight into the blender. Okay. Next, I'll be adding this. After cutting and everything has been incorporated in this After blending, I filter the juice out using a sieve and a plate. But bear in mind, you can as well take this juice without extracting any chaff out of it. But as a beginner, I will advise you to extract the juice. In that way, you will be able to drink this juice without the obstruction of the fiber contents. So this is the juice I derived from blending the spinach, lemon and ginger. So after juicing, blending and filtering, I went ahead to mix the both juice together, the raw concentrated juice and the juice extracted with 300 ml of water. Then your weight loss juice is ready. Take this juice throughout the day, morning, afternoon and before bedtime. With this juice, you can store it in an airtight container and preserve it in your fridge and consume it within 24 to 48 hours. Don't make and store for too long. Always make a fresh batch after 24 to 48 hours so you can be able to get all the benefits of this juice. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as this gives me the more insights to make good video for you all. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and see you guys on my next one. Bye. This particular building,